turkey. I don't know why I keep putting my hands on my hips because I feel like I'm like an expert. We're gonna cook that turkey, cook that turkey, cook it, cook it, cook it. He's like, yeah, I don't know what you're saying, but I'm into it. Seasoned and young.
Oh my gosh.
Turkey time! Woo! All right, you guys, so today is the day that I am going to be making my first turkey. It's gonna be interesting, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be wild. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I haven't even looked up a recipe yet, but I do know the first step to making a turkey is going to the grocery store.
A few moments later.
Going outside and jump on the snow? What in the actual, where do I live? This is actually like so brutal. I can't even see right now. Cute dog. Metro. I've never bought a turkey in my life, so you're, good Lord, I feel like I need to put on turkey trauma. I just know it needs to be fat. It's gotta be Butterball.
Yes.
And no, this is not sponsored. Butterball is not paying me. I've heard it's the juiciest. Oh my god. I don't know if this one is fat. This one looks really small. Like that looks fat. Should I start with a small one? A small bird or a big bird? Or do I go like full on jumbo size bird?
Go with like a medium bird.
A medium bird?
Go right down the middle. Okay, maybe get a big bird then. Turkey dance all the way home.
We're gonna make a turkey. Have you ever made a turkey? No? I was gonna ask you if you knew any like tips or pointers. No? My own.
It's like no. You're on your own.
Yep. See the bird.
6 hours later.
All right, you guys, so today is the day. I am going to make my first turkey. You came with me when I went to the Metro, the grocery store the other day. I had to go back, get some of the ingredients. I looked up a recipe on foodnetwork.com and I'm gonna try and follow that recipe. I have my laptop here, so bear with me as I like go through all of the instructions because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. First step, line the pan with foil. Second step is to actually take the bird out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm freaking out. It's so raw. It actually looks like the bird with the head cut off. I'm gonna freak out. Oh, all the juice is coming out. All the juice is coming out. I'm gagging. I'm gagging. I'm gagging. Oh, turkey cooking part that they don't show you. Oh my sweet baby Jesus. There's no way that you're supposed to, are you supposed to rinse it? Oh my god, it's such a fucking heifer. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. I can't with the blood. I can't. Oh. I don't even know. Okay. Oh my god, it's so heavy. So crazy. I know I have to chop it open, but I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. It's this motherfucker. Can I swear on YouTube? We are motherfucking tying the turkey legs together, gagging it, okay? That is not a, I don't know if I feel comfortable with this. Like, stuff the turkey cavity with the apple, garlic, and fresh dill. And tie the legs together. Okay, chicken leg. Can't have the apple. I need to chop this. This core is being difficult. It is irking me to my core. I'm chopping up garlic. So, I chopped the apple, it's cored, I chopped the garlic. The next step was the dill. Fortunately, I didn't buy any fresh dill, so we'll just sprinkle a little bit of this dried dill that I bought. And I also don't have the kitchen twine, so we're being resilient. And we're gonna use Bringing over the turkey. Do 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 do. I'm going in. I'm going in. I don't even know. So my dear friend just looked up how to actually open up this turkey. It's okay, don't be shy, girl. Okay. We need you, we need your phone, and we also need Jesus and a prayer.
Yes.
Because, wait, show me the photo again? What the heck?
You have to like stick your hand up
No.
it.
No one. Oh, I took it out. What is that? Oh, what is that? I'm just putting this in. I don't even know anymore. And we're gonna move on. Look at me. This is cooking. This is the kind of cooking that I enjoy. Just seasoning, chopping, not removing stuff from a bird. But you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm using pink Himalayan salt because hashtag it's cute. It is a big bird, so I salted the crap out of it. And now I'm gonna put pepper all over it. So I'm adding garlic salt to the bird, making sweet love to the turkey bird with my garlic salt. I'm gonna put my bird here. Okay guys, so I am going to prep the other ingredients that need to be sauteed. And then I think I have to flip this upside down. Okay, we're doing turkey kung fu now. And then I put it on top so that it looks so pretty again. Yes! I think I have to retie this, but I'm gonna use my floss. And then I think it's good to go into the oven. So it's gonna be a little bit minty. It's gonna have a nice minty kick. Roast the turkey for 1 hour. So this is, I feel like it's already done. Yay! Gosh, look at this turkey. I am so impressed with myself. Wow. I think I would actually eat this. Okay, like slice the sides a bit. Okay, you guys, so we are having our Friendsgiving. I have 2 of my girlfriends over and we just cut the turkey, and honestly, it looks pretty juicy and not so bad. So I'm pretty proud of myself. We carved it out right here. Look at that, first turkey, yum.
Looks so
My
good.
friend helped make the gravy. We all pitched in to help some other stuff. Well, the Brussels sprouts didn't go so well. There's 2 salads. Even Winston's eating turkey. How's your turkey? Oh, it's good. Oh, yeah. So you heard it here first. Turkey was good. I'm so impressed with myself. I don't know if it was beginner's luck, but look out, world. This girl's gonna keep making some turkeys. Yeah.